Welcome to the Nation Club. Training for MDW. Anytime, anywhere. The perfect place for your MDW to learn. Why Nation Club? Nation Club is a perfect platform for migrant domestic workers, MDW, to learn and will benefit from the video training from the platform and see a difference in their performance. Nation Club contains a wide variety of video training that is made purposely to better support your household. The advantages of this online training course include accessible anywhere, improved personal skills, improves MDW's performance, enrich your MDW skill set, increase job satisfaction, improve communication with employers. What online training courses are available at the Nation Club? Elderly care, infant care, first aid and home safety, housekeeping, baking and cooking, vocabulary,
Let's learn. Names of fish and seafood. Prawn,
udang, besar,
လေ့လာကြည့်ရအောင်မီးခိုချောင်းသုံးပစ္စည်းအမည်များ
electric stove,
ကျက်စစ်မီးခို
Nation Club, the perfect place for your MDWs to learning online, anytime, anywhere. Visit our website, nation.club, and our social media, Facebook, Nation Made Agency, Instagram, NationClub_SG. Nation, quality service for quality of life.